It has been quite a while since I've done a video, and I want to apologize to my 5 faithful subscribers for that. What with the holidays and before that, some family illness, then I got COVID. It's just gone on, and there hasn't been uh, a lot of time to do this, and I do apologize. But I did want to make a really quick video. This is a video on some medical gear, first aid gear that I got from a place called Venture Surplus. I don't remember if I've spoke about them before. I ordered some military surplus stuff from them. I order from a couple of places as well as going to my local surplus store. And this is just one. There was something I wanted from there, and of course, with a lot of online stores, you reach this certain level of purchase, and you get free shipping and free returns. Da, 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 da. So, in order to get that, I went ahead and ordered some of these first aid dressings, and they were $2.99 a piece. They're really large. You can tell from the size of the package. They're 11 3/4 inches square dressings, and they're older. They are, of course, military surplus. I don't see any dates on them, um, so I don't know how old they are, but they're in fine condition. I can't tell from that lot number exactly what that means, but somebody else may be able to. But they seem to be in fine condition. This one's open, but I opened it, just kind of peeking in. And what I'm going to do is go ahead and sacrifice myself and open one of them, which I see here now that there is a press tab to open it from the top. I don't know why that's any better than opening from the side, but it is. But I just thought it was a very interesting field dressing because it's so large. There's some very simple instructions, if you can see in this light. Basically, it's just a big field dressing, like I said, 11 3/4 inches. But I thought we'd open it, look at it, and if you feel like some of these field dressings would complement your, maybe not IFAC because they're so large, but definitely your triage or your larger medical kit, $2.99 is not a bad deal, especially if they've got something else that you need that you're trying to pad that purchase so that you can get the free shipping. But let's look at one. So right away, notice after you take it out of the box that this thing is it says dyed sterilized dressing. Sterility is not guaranteed if wrapper is damaged or opened. And these wrappers, even though I can't tell you how old these are, and they seem old, there's nothing wrong with this wrapper. I've seen nothing wrong with any of this stuff. So I would say that these are fairly sterile. But that's not my medical opinion. That's just the opinion of an idiot. But like I said, it seems fine. After you take the plastic off the dressing still is not open yet. You have to, there's some very light adhesive that holds an outer, what appears to be an outer paper wrapper together. And you have to pull that apart. So this thing is really, really well wrapped. And this is a little package of safety pins. It looks like you get maybe 4 safety pins in there. Let's check those guys out. So there are the 4 safety pins, really good, high quality safety pins. The paper wrapper is a little showing its age, a little bit. So, once you get in here, you do realize this thing is probably, good Lord, I'm just going to guess. I'm thinking it might be from the 70s or 80s. I don't remember an 11 3/4 inch square dressing in any med kits I ever saw in the 80s, in the 90s, but I wasn't a medical guy, so I don't know. And there's the dressing splayed out. Huge dressing. This is the wound side. It comes with 4 what I call ties for securing them to the body, and they are long enough that you could easily wrap these around a chest or a stomach, which obviously when you've got a a dressing that big. That's the parts of the body we're looking at. Put the other side next to wound. And, obviously, if you had the really bad leg wound, it would work good for that too. This is going to soak up a lot of blood, but that's not its main purpose. Its main purpose is to put compression on that wound, and that's what these ties are going to help do. Um, $2.99 is what I got these for, and I'm pretty impressed with them. This one I will mark as training, and I will put with my training gear, and the other 8 are going into my larger kits. Again, uh, high quality, even if it is a few decades old. I see nothing wrong with it. I see no reason to believe that these won't be fine packaged up. I may put them in plastic just to maintain the integrity of the box. They're already in plastic, the actual dressings are. But to maintain the integrity of the box, I may put them in plastic and put them in my larger medical kits. And like I said, $2.99, I think that's pretty good if you're ordering enough stuff from the company to make the free shipping. Venture Surplus is not. I mean, I don't have any flint with them. They're nobody to me. I'm just a customer, but I've never seen these dressings before, and I thought they were pretty neat. Hey, thanks for watching.